I went out to Seattle and I was able to work on a project that was internal for Starbucks, and I was able to use the skills that I learned in my double major here at UCM of Computer Science and Cybersecurity. Specifically, one of the courses I took was a software engineering course that allowed me to actually get a real feel for what it would be like working in industry. I did end up receiving a full-time offer from Starbucks to be a software engineer 1 for Starbucks technology. I will be working on applications basically to help the partners work with the technology better in stores and help make sure that technology is reliable.
UCM is a cybersecurity club called Cyber Meals. Sometimes we have guest speakers come in and they tell us about their experiences in industry, and it allows us to network with people in industry and make other connections. We do a lot of competitions, including the National Cyber League. A couple seasons ago, we managed to get 9th out of however many couple thousand teams competed. My plans for after graduation include continuing to grow my company, Downscope Security Solutions. We offer cybersecurity services for small to medium businesses. And I'm also going to take a part-time apprenticeship doing penetration testing for Strong Crypto, one of the US cyber team coaches companies. So some advice that I would give to someone who is considering a cybersecurity major is to start networking as early as you can. I started networking for jobs probably like my junior or senior year of high school, and now that it's time to get a job, it's definitely paid off.